Hi, my name's Jackie. I'm doing a review for Pop-On Veneers. I ordered them December 26th, and then I got the impressions on December 28th. They're super easy to do. I watched the video on how to do it because I tried some other veneers and they were very complicated. And the mouth guard was super big and I couldn't do it. Couldn't do it. But this one was super easy and the mouth guard was small and it fit. And I got him on the first impressions. It's good. I still have like a lisp. I'm getting used to them. Normally I have like gaps right here, like on the sides, and I would never smile. I would always be like, but now I can smile. I love them. Order yours.